Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove accent blocks on Instagram. Instagram blocks you when it thinks you are doing too many actions too quickly, like liking, following, or messaging. First, you need to stop following or commenting for at least 24 hours. Continuous activity makes the block last longer. If it's not helping you, then log out your Instagram account for a few seconds. And you should remove third-party apps for that. If you are using third-party apps, you need to remove the apps. Instagram may block access from your IP address, so make sure you are connected with your Wi-Fi or data. Your connection should be strong. If it's not helping you, then click on profile, tap on three line and scroll down. You will see help and support. After clicking on help, you can report a problem clicking on report problem. Thank you for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more daily videos. Thank you.